Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Perfect. Today in this video I'll show you how to cancel all sent friend requests on Facebook. So now I will start it. First of all, I can tell you can do this directly from Facebook application. You have to use Facebook Lite to do this. Now we will download the Facebook Lite application from Google Play Store. Now click on Play Store. Next I will search by typing Facebook Lite app. Now I install it. Click on open. And then click on your ID. Here you can see this is my profile. Click on the three dot line above. Click on your setting. Click on setting. Scroll down, click on your activity log, scroll down, click on view connection, and then click on filters, click on categories. Here you can see many options. You just have to click send friend request. Click on. So you can see that I have sent a lot of friends requests here, but we will see how I can cancel from here. You have to enter that ID. Click on. Click on cancel. Finally, we are able to cancel it, as you can see. So if you like the video, you must like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.